Now I want to show you how to collect the electrical conductivity measurement, which is the long term for EC measurement, and also water pH. We only do this measurement, these two measurements, for our hydroponic system because we're continuously recycling this water through the buckets and back to the reservoir. So we have to monitor these two measurements. So here's how to do the EC measurement first. This says EC, this says pH. So if I'm doing EC, I want to use this meter. Take off the lid. Now you have to wash the meter. So I have distilled water in a beaker. Now if this is low or empty, here's some additional distilled water you can pour into it. I have a plastic pipette, and then I have a waste beaker to hold the wastewater. What's the wastewater? Everything, all the water that runs off this meter as I rinse it. So you see I've got two metal rods here, and I need to rinse them off twice. So I'm going to do that now. So I turn it on its side. You can see the opening to see the first electrode. I put water on it. Then I turn it to its side so I can see the other electrode. You see I'm running water on it. And these are metal, so it's okay for the pipetter to touch the electrode. Okay, I'm going to do it a second time. Rinse the first electrode. Then I squeeze water on the second electrode. Okay? And I did it over this waste beaker. Now, shake off any excess water. Then take your paper towel, wipe off any water that's on the outside. You don't have to worry about wiping the electrodes. That's not important. Now we turn it on. There's the on-off button right here. But the thing is, it says ppm. That's parts per million. We do not want parts per million. So we have to press the mode button. I'm going to press the mode button one time. It changed it to microsiemens per centimeter. So that's the Greek letter mu S/cm. That's the units we need to measure the fertilizer amount in this water. So now I'm ready to measure. So I take off the lid and I put it into the water to about here. The water to about here. It's okay to stir it a little bit, that's fine. But just make sure you keep it. Now you're going to have to hold it in such a way you can see the meter. And once you see the units, that mu S/cm blinking, that means the reading has stabilized. And you can see it's blinking. Oops, you gotta be fast. Now I gotta do it again. It turned off on me. Now I gotta turn it on. And I gotta push mode again. That's good. I'm glad you guys saw that error. You learned from me. Okay, I'm gonna put it back in. I'm gonna watch. I'm tilting it so I can see the display. Okay, now it is blinking. You see, it's blinking and it's 1565. Okay, so I would write that down on my clipboard and then I turn it off. You gotta hold it down a lot of times to turn it off. And now rinse it, hold it over the waste beaker, rinse it off twice. Okay, then shake off the excess, wipe off the sides, put the lid back on. We are done.